So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to morning market briefing. So first of all, if you see your SGX futures, right? So it is again a small gap up we can see, right? So market is trading above 17,500 as of now. So from last 2 days we are seeing that market is on the upside. Market is going on the upside. But are we convinced with this move? We need to see this with the data specifically and what the technical moves are, specifically saying. Now, if you see logically, market is actually consolidating after the budget, right? It's not giving you any specific direction, but uh, the range for the consolidation is big, right? So we can say 17,800 on the upside and approximately 17,000 on the downside. So it is a range that 800 points of the points we are Nifty is consolidating. Now we need to see the OI data specifically to get to know what is specifically happening in the Nifty, right? Okay. Now let's see Bank Nifty. Same, it's trading in a channel, right? So it touched the upside channel and then came back to 37,500, 37,000 levels, and then again started going up. So it is trading above, near 39,000. So the next resistance we can see is 40,000 for the market, right? Okay. Now let's see the OI data. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, so let's go to the Nifty first. So from last 2 days, we have seen market gone up. So, but not convinced with this move because it's showing a short covering specifically. So no specific new positions are building up in Nifty right now. So probably until unless we see a long build up coming up in Nifty, so we cannot be convinced with this move. So probably market should take some resistance on the higher side and again it should come back. So let's see how the data behaves after that. But as of now, it's just a short covering move, right? Same with the Bank Nifty also. It went up, but again, it's a short covering move, right? So no specific long positions are building up in Bank Nifty, right? Okay. Let's quickly go for the open interest, right? For both. So today we have a expiry, right? So 17,500 shows a huge unwinding as of now. 17,700 has the highest call option as of now. 17,400 is the put, right? So this could be the range, right, for market. So even though market can face resistance 17,500 also, need to see how the positions will be building up after this, right? Okay. So but as of now, 17,700 is the resistance, 17,400 is the support for today's session. If we talk about the Bank Nifty, so there is no specific change in the range. So 39,000 on the upside, 38,000 on the downside, right? So these are the levels. Now we can even go and check the so max pain level and max gain level for a Bank Nifty is 38,000. The EQ level is 39,250 on the upside. So if market breaks that level, probably we have a trend in the market on the upside. So that's the level. So if we talk about Nifty also, so this is 17,400 is the max pain and max gain level. On the upside, if 17,640 is the level where we can have the EQ level, right? If we check the straddle index specifically for both, so the people who create butterflies and all those strategies for expiry, so you can go and check the straddle of 17,500. So we are getting 120 rupees as a premium. So if we sell it today, probably let's say we'll get it approximately at 100 rupees or let's say 90 rupees. So even we can go and buy the, out of the money option. So we can create a butterfly and then we can have a, the selling as of now. So for this to gain this premium, right? So even like 20 rupees premium we'll bought, we'll still get 60 rupees, right? Approximately. So you can create that straddle for Nifty specifically. and then just hedge it with so inherently create that as a butterfly, right? And for Bank Nifty, if we talk about, so probably 39,000 would be good as of now. So even though 30,500 seems to be good, right? So that's almost like we have 350 rupees premium. We'll get it probably after decay. So let's see, whatever the amount you'll get, you can create the strategy after that, right? Using that. Okay, now come to the gainer and loser quickly. For yesterday, so we have seen About India went up by 7%, almost India Mart almost 5.5, Rain 5.5. So these are the top gainers yesterday in FNO. MGL, Bank Baroda, and Godrej CP were the top losers yesterday. Its contribution. So there's a positive move. So private banks giving a good support, IT and oil and NBFC, right? Okay. Built up side. So mostly we have a long build up. So NBFC, auto and media are the three sectors which are majorly contributing yesterday. And even we have seen IT also there. So that was here. So that was short covering specifically. No in the short, right? Okay, now let's come to the stocks. Okay, the first stock is, so we have seen auto stock have performed yesterday. So the first is Bajaj Auto. So you can see the stock is trading in a channel. So it come to the down portion of the channel and again went up. So as of now, the stock looks bullish from here. So the immediate level we can see is 3,600. So if the stock breaks 3,600, we can see the stock can move up very easily. So on the upside, we can anticipate 37,000, 3,700, 3,800 levels on the stock, right? So even though 3,400 would be a good support at that point of time, right? Okay. So Bajaj Auto is on the long side, right? The second stock is, you can see Maruti. So we have seen a good move yesterday. After a good consolidation, the stock went up. So here 9,000 level is the good level. So where we can see a position, we can create a position. So 9,000 is the resistance. If that breaks that level, so we can go and create a long position. So we have the resistance for both the stocks at certain level. If that breaks, then only we'll create a position, right? So let's see the further analysis for them. So let's go and check for Bajaj Auto first. So Bajaj Auto is like, it was mostly short covering when market went up and it came down. So not specifically huge short. So yesterday when stock went up, so we have a long build up in this, right? Not with a huge quantum, but still we have a long build up. Okay. Now let's see the open interest. So 3,600 is already started showing an unwinding. So here we can see a breakout. So 37 is also showing unwinding. So mostly we can see that these stock can reach these levels very specifically. With if we go with these levels, 3,500 is a still good level on this support side, right? On technical charts is 3,400. So that's, you can see. So 3,500 could be a support in this. Now let's go to the second one. So let's see Maruti. So Maruti's clear-cut long build-up after a consolidation. It again showing a long build-up from last 2 days. So that's buy specifically. So 9,000 is the level where we can see the stock is showing unwinding here. तो आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा unwinding जरूर दिखेगा इस level पे. So probably 8,700, 8,800 level all are showing a put addition. So we can put support of any of these levels, right? And on the upside, we can even anticipate like 9,500 level if that stock breaks. Okay, fine. So let's come to the ban list. So PNB is the new addition we have, right? So BHEL and the second one. Let's quickly summarize this and finish it. Okay. So for Nifty specifically, we can say 17,400 is the support as of now. We can see for today. On the upside, we have 17,500 is the level, and then 17,800, right? No change in the Bank Nifty level, 39,000, 38,000. So this is 1,000-point range. Long build up is specifically on NBFC, media, and auto. No short build up specifically in any sector. So auto stock look, stocks looking good. So for Bajaj Auto, we can go long above 3600, 3500 would be good support. Maruti, if that stock breaks again 9000 level on the upside, so we'll go and create a long position, and then 8800 is the support, right? PNB is the new addition in the ban list, right? So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again. Thank you so much.